Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to discuss about the read-only array. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So read-only array type in the TypeScript represents an immutable array where all the elements are of the type T. This type is similar to the regular array of the type but enforces that the array cannot be modified once it's created. This immutability ensures that the elements in the array cannot be added, removed, or modified after the initialization. So one word you cannot modify once it's initialized. Okay, so it's gonna be like read-only array. Example, so here you can see that the numbers that only read only. So here I initialize 1 2 3 4. If I try to push 5 or try to reassign, so it will error, throw an error, error property push does not exist on the type read only number. Error index signatures in the type read only number only permits reading. In this example, the number is of type read-only array, which means that you cannot use array modification methods like push, pop, slice, assign new values to the array indices. Okay, so read-only is useful when you want to ensure that an array remains constant and cannot be accidentally changed throughout your code. It is commonly used when working with the data that should be not mutated, such as configuration settings, constant list of values. So this is the read-only array. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.